Hi, this is Gold, and today it's Monday, 11th of January 2021. I'm Sophia S, and this is a technical analysis study on the pair using ichimoku Kinkohio, Bollinger Bands, fractals, and stochastics. On the monthly time frame, we see that although the price made a high spike above the upper Bollinger Band, the fractal, it's been moving above the scissor, the bullish scissor between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, the red and the blue lines of Ichimoku. And the last candlestick is balancing on Tenkan-sen, while Kijun-sen, the blue line, has a slight upward inclination, and that means a huge force is applied in the bullish dynamic zone between the line and the price and Tenkan-sen, pushing upwards. At the same time that the price is trying to maintain its balance above Tenkan-sen, it's trying to stay up, stochastics go down. We have pointal divergence. And when this happens, prices intentions prevail. So the fact that the upper and lower Bollinger Bands edges have not formed a tongs yet. The fact that we have this bullish scissor between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen with the price balancing on Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen slightly sloping upwards, and the pointal divergence between the last candlestick and stochastics show that the price wants to continue higher. On the weekly time frame, we see a slightly different picture. We see that the median Bollinger Band has formed a knee and it's slightly sloping downwards. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen have formed a bearish scissor, which means that they are getting ready for, they are repositioned and reordered in order to be prepared for a fall, for a prices fall. The whole picture shouts that the price wants to turn the leading Kumo to make it thinner in order to continue higher, and it has two ways to achieve that. Either find the strength and make a very strong upward move and lift it up, or break through the Kumo, negate it, turn it into flat and bearish, and then if it wants to continue higher, reverse, break through the Kumo again and form a new bullish Kumo, leading bullish Kumo, which will be thin and lift it up in the air. It will be flying. This is what the price will try to do, either one way or the other. And right now, although this gap between the curve of the upper Bollinger Band and the most recent consolidation of the price action had theoretically been covered by this up fractal here, price would like to continue higher, and it looks like it's been pushed down. Let's look closer to smaller time frames. On daily, although this downward range is not completed because we don't have a spike or a body of a candlestick, even better, closing below the lower Bollinger Band, it looks like the price really doesn't want to go lower. It wants to escape and continue its upward move. It has bearish Kumo above it. It loves to cross through bearish Kumo going upwards. And if it goes upwards, it will try to lift the leading Kumo up in the air. Logically, it should continue the fall and make a spike below the lower Bollinger Band, negate the leading Kumo, turn it into flat and bearish, and then reverse and break through the bearish Kumo and create a new leading bullish Kumo, which will be lifted up in the air. That would be the reasonable and the logical thing to happen. But now it looks like the price doesn't want to go lower, and it will try to escape through this Kumo and lift this Kumo up in the air. We'll see. Let me give some levels. Now, if on daily time frame the price, a bullish candlestick, closes above Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, Tenkan-sen is sloping upwards and the leading Kumo is lifted up in the air, then it will continue higher. So the first level it will reach will be the level of the upper Bollinger Band on daily. And next it will try to reach the level of the bearish reversal candlestick pattern on weekly, which we had here on the left. So 1940.37 the first level, at 2009.75 the next level, and I will leave it here for now. Now the sell scenario. Before I talk about the sell scenario, since I see another level on H4, let me place also a level at the Kitchen plateau on H4, which is 1887.46, if the price really wants to go up. Now, if it wants to continue the fall, there is a gap between the curve of the lower Bollinger Band and the recent price action consolidation on H1. There is not a lethal spike here, which would be necessary if the price really wanted to go up. So the possibility of the fall exists. The first level it will reach will be the level of the curve of the lower Bollinger Band on H1, and at 1813.72, and let's have a look. The next level will be above this bullish reversal candlestick pattern on daily at 1785.37, and if it breaks below that level, then we may see a very big move on weekly. But for now, I will stay here, and I would suggest that trades are taken with M30 as the entry time frame, with trending markets criteria, of course. And I consider the downward move secondary. The price may try to make the big spike before going up. I'm not convinced that the price wants to fall. It may try to form the big lethal spike I mentioned and then go up. This is the sense I'm getting from this picture. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and happy pips.